Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use a built-in compass tool in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see a edge panels option. So tap on this option and then turn on its button. Now after turning on the edge panels button, click on panels and here you will see a tools panel. So select the tool panel to add this panel to the edge panels. Now after adding this panel to the edge panels, go back to your home screen and to use the built-in compass tool, open the edge panel. Now from here swipe left or right to open the tools panel. So this is the tools panel which is by default set to the compass, but if you don't see a compass here, then click on this three dot more icon and from here select compass and then it will open the compass and now you can use this compass. So that's how you can use the built-in compass in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.